Hello viewers, welcome to ARP Creation. Today I am going to show you how can you create this type of abstract line background in Adobe Illustrator. So before starting this tutorial, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get new updates. So let's start the tutorial. So firstly create a new document, then choose the curvature tool, then draw a line. And then draw another line, so we have created two lines. So now we will change the color of one line to blue color, then select this two line and make sure the stroke point will be 2 point, and then go to object menu and click on blend and click on make, and you can see a wonderful abstract line background have been created. Now we will change the blend step. So go to object menu again and blend options, change the spacing to specified steps and change the number to 120. Okay, perfect. Now choose the rectangular tool, then create a rectangle, then select the two layers and click on make clipping mask. It will subtract the outside art from the document. So we have created our abstract background. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.